Meaning of disrobe.
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 Disrobe. The word disrobe means to undress or remove clothing, especially in a deliberate or formal way. When someone disrobes, they take off their clothes, leaving themselves unclothed or partially unclothed. The act of disrobing can be performed for various reasons, such as changing into comfortable clothes, preparing for a performance or ritual, or engaging in intimacy. In general, disrobing results in a person being less covered and exposed, revealing more of their body to others.